Good morning. Good morning. How's your sleep? How's your sleep? Good?
Kumusta po kayong lahat? That's it, right?
Yep. Spam and egg and rice for breakfast. I plan to move some home decor products para dalhin sa consignment store. Dun sa pinagdadalhan namin na consignment store dito malapit sa amin, sold out na yung mga product namin na nandun sa kanila. Na dinala namin 2 months ago pa. So, ayan.
Do they sell all your stuff?
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna bring out more. And then, Lucas have gymnastic class. And then,
Daddy's gonna cook ribs today.
Daddy's gonna cook the dinner today. This week, we will go somewhere. Magbabakasyon kami ng konti. 3 araw lang naman. So, 3 araw ako din mag-work. So, ngayong araw, gusto ko mag-work para madami akong product na ma-send dun sa aking VA. Thank you, Daddy. So, para madami akong product na ma-send sa aking VA sa Pilipinas. Kumbaga, para mag-compensate sa 3 araw na wala akong gagawin. So, gusto kong maraming matrabaho today. And then, of course, pack the bags for the family. So, sana magawa ko yun ngayong gabi para maaga kami makaalis bukas. You see, I'm like so motivated to do everything today. Like work and just do everything I have to do because we're gonna go on a vacation. Right, Maya? It's Maya's first vacation. It's Maya's first vacation. Hi, Maya. Maya, look. Who's that? Who's that girl? She's looking at the egg. You're gonna eat now? Punta muna kami sa thrift store. Meron kaming mga bags of clothes and shoes na i-donate. Diba nag-declutter nga ako? Finally, naayos ko na yung mga damit ng mga bata na hindi na nila sinusuot. May nag-sort ako. Yung iba papadala ko sa Pinas para sa mga pamangkin ko. Pero, ayan, sobrang dami. Na mga kinaliitan pa ni Andrew at Lucas. Okay, better?
Okay.
So, daan lang kami sa donation center and then diretso sa library. It's gonna be a busy day. Book drop. Push.
Push the middle part up.
Baby.
A unicorn! We had a unicorn! A unicorn was there! My brother blinks. He rubs his eyes. He thinks we've got it wrong. But there are such things as unicorns. I knew it all along. There's a unicorn on your head, There's a unicorn on your head. Oh, that's nothing you should dread. There's a unicorn on your head,
We're back. Friends, nakabalik na kami sa bahay at nagpapak na ng orders. So, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung ating mga nabenta for today. I have like 3 sets or 4 sets of nail polish yan. Ito naman ay mga nail falsies, short hair shampoo. Tapos ito, madaming mga microfiber cleaning cloth. And then ito ay pambata na glasses case. Pero sa loob niyan, meron yung blue light blocking glasses. And then 2 queen mugs. Madami-daming twin flat sheet. So parang 8 piraso. Isang bralette set. Isang dress. Isang blouse. Ayan ang ating mga nabenta for today. So, may bagong order pumasok. Pokemon earring set. So, dagdag na yan. Kanina nga pala, sa library. Diba yung pinupuntahan namin every week is parang story time. Nandun yung mga bata, nakikinig sila sa story, ganyan. May nagbabasa ng libro. na-observe namin si Lucas, parang hindi na siya masyado nag-e-enjoy. Hindi na siya kagaya ng dati. Ayaw na niyang gawin yung mga silly movements. Pagka may pinapagawa sa kanya mga silly movements na ganyan, parang hindi na siya masyadong masaya. Tapos tumitingin siya sa amin na para bang, this is embarrassing. But he's only 5 years old. Pero naisip namin na baka na-outgrow na niya, baka ayaw na niya talagang gawin. So I think next week, bibigyan namin siya ng option na parang, mas gusto mo ba na doon na lang tayo sa kabilang side, tapos magbasa ka na lang ng libro kaysa makinig ng story time. And then we'll see kung ano magiging response niya. Pero yung story time ngayon is para kay Andrew talaga. Kaya lang, si Andrew, hindi rin niya masyado na-enjoy yung story time. Ewan ko, baka he's too young for it naman. But we'll just keep on going. Kung ayaw nila, okay lang. Basta mag-library pa din kami para magbasa ng ibang books, ganun. Aww. Thank you, Daddy. It's okay, Andrew. I love you. Okay, ito na yung ating mga naiayos. Nadadalhin ko sa consignment store. Marami akong ganyan na parang home decor metal na kung ano yung nakalagay. So, family, whatever, wash. Ito, you and me, home decor. Ito ay family. Ay, di ko pa na. Malikabok. Linisin ko muna ito. Ito muna. Ito ay parang book display. Ito naman, you and me. Siguro dito ko na. Ito ay magandang pang this sa kitchen siguro ito maganda. Dalawang set. I have a lot of this. And then, itong kitchen home decor. Kitchen, recipe for love. So, ayan. Tapos itong dalawang malaki. Isa at dalawa. I think meron pa. Magdadagdag pa ako. Dadamihan ko para sulit yung aming pagpunta dun sa store. Kasi, babalik kami dun mga after 2 months pa ulit. Ayan, tapos na. Ayan lang siguro muna. Tapos, may dinagdag ako mga salamin. 3 set. Ayan. Yung mga salamin kasi matagal nang nakalist sa akin sa eBay. Hindi nabibenta. So, ayan. Ipapa-consignment ko na lang.
I can vlog it against my will, yes.
Really? Kind of. What are you gonna bake, Daddy?
Huh? Ribs.
Oh,
Making ribs today.
just from pigs.
Yes, these are from pigs. The ribs, pork ribs. 2 of them.
Pop, pop, pop.
So ideally, you would cook this on the grill. That would be nice, but don't have a nice grill, so we'll just put it in the oven. So this is a pretty easy way to cook it. We're just gonna rub some spices on it, some barbecue sauce, wrap it in aluminum foil, and then just throw it in the oven for a long time. Leave it there, and when I say long time, I mean like 4 or 6 hours or something like that at a low temperature, and then it'll be done.
Baby blood.
Yep.
Because the pigs, they don't want to eat the blood. But most people does not barbecue sauce. But we do barbecue sauce.
No, a lot of people do use barbecue sauce too, but just in a different way.
Barbecue sauce on it, and we just wipe it also.
Yeah, we just want to coat it. Get a nice coating of barbecue sauce on it. It's still good.
Moo, moo, moo. Why like that? Is that on the bottom now?
Okay.
Yeah. What?
It's like painting almost, right? We'll see. You shouldn't touch it like that. It's pork ribs. That is pork ribs. That, and then we're gonna brush it.
Okay. So I'll brush it.
Okay.
I want to watch Andrew. I want to watch Andrew. Is Andrew doing it wrong?
No, he's doing fine.
Okay. He's just only like brushing the scramble.
It's okay.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Right there.
Okay. I'm gonna flip it over and put the aluminum foil out. Now I'm gonna flip it over. Right there, like that. You can touch it up when he's done, okay? How about that?
Okay, yeah.
You can finish it up.
And then I do the next one.
Oh, this is the last one. I'm gonna set this upside down. Maybe you can squirt the rest on it when it's done. Okay. Sounds like fart.
Okay, done.
Done?
I
That
found it.
looks yummy.
That's
Wow.
Wow!
Dico is cooking.
He's scooping it.
Dico is cooking.
Okay, hopefully they don't leak too much in the oven. Because they're kind of hanging over a little bit. Even though they're diagonal. So, put them in, let them sit there for a long time. Easy.
And friends, nakapag-deliver na kami ng aming mga packages, and then now we're on the way to the consignment store para pick upin ko yung benta from the last batch, tapos magda-drop off kami ng maraming frame. Dinagdagan ko pa yung iba pang frame para sulit yung punta namin, although malapit lang din naman. Okay, nandito tayo sa consignment store. Yung mas malaking area is yung mga damit na dun sa side na yun. Ito naman ay para sa mga home decor lang. So, dito nila nilalagay yung iba kong mga paninda. Kumbaga nakikilagay lang ako kapag nabenta, tsaka ako palang mapipera. Bet ko ang kanilang pagdi-display at pag-organize dito. Pauwi na kami, na-drop off na namin yung mga product for consignment. So, pag sinabi natin consignment, ibig sabihin, babayaran lang nila kami kapag nabenta na. So, meron silang online system na nandun yung listahan ng mga product na din-wrap off namin. Tapos makikita ko doon kung ano yung nabenta, magkano, ganyan. Okay naman. Meron siyang mga ni-request na specific product. Sabi niya, if I have more bigger canvas daw and basket, ayun daw ang mabenta. So, ayun yung gusto niyang dalhin ko. So, I think it's better if we will bring more this week kasi magsisale daw sila, but we're going on a trip, so I don't think we can. Pwede na ako mag-work ulit. Nasa gymnastic class si Lucas kasama ang kanyang daddy, tapos ako naman ay mag-work muna. Tulog pa ang dalawang bata. Kanina pagkagaling namin galing consignment, medyo sinipag ako na mag-work. So, ang dami ko na nagawa. Gawaing bahay. So, natapos ko na ngayon. Tulog na si Maya at Lucas. So, pwede ako mag-work dito sa taas. Motivated ako kasi may gala nga kami. So, parang ang huling gala namin is birthday pa ni Lucas, August. So, ngayon lang ulit ako makakagala. Motivated dahil sa gala. Sinong hindi motivated dahil sa gala? Di ba? Mamaya, after namin mag-dinner, bago kami matulog, magpapak naman ako ng mga gamit na dadalhin namin bukas. That's how long it takes.
And then, look, hey, what if I had to blow it with my mouth?
What about? How long will it take?
How tired would I get?
I know. Stop with the balloon na! Ah! We're gonna bring this in the hotel, you see?
What's that?
We got this from Walmart.
What's that?
For using the toilet. And then, this is for Maya. See, somebody gave this to Maya. Wait, this is supposed to be like that.
He put this in his mouth.
Daddy, here. This for Maya. Maya's float. Are you gonna blow the
Right now?
balloons?
No, we just take
My
this with us.
money.
What? No.
Yeah, this takes up more room than
Oh,
this.
you're right. Okay. Look at what Andrew did. Oh my God.
Okay.
Okay.
Look, what did you do, Andrew? Where's the... Oh no.
Oh, now I do that. And some sad.
Oh no, it's too small for your butt.
Huh?
I'm kidding.
Huh?
What's that? Is that a frog?
I think. I don't even know.
So you see, it's so easy.
Tabs
You can
on the
fold.
inside also.
Huh?
I guess so it doesn't
But-
slide forward too much.
Yeah.
Mommy,
This?
what's this even?
Like a lock. Okay. So this is good. Foldable potty
Okay.
seat. Wait, do I have Andrew's clothes yet? So, nagpapak na kami ng mga gagamitin namin sa aming gala tomorrow. So, ayan, nag-aayos ako. Nag-dinner kami, tapos, ano pa bang, hindi pa ako nakakapaghugas ng pinggan, pero, kasi ginagalaw nila yung mga iniimpake ko, kaya, tatapusin ko muna to bago ako maglinis sa kusina. So, this bag is for food. So, you're gonna put all the snacks. Wow. Okay, enough.
Hey, that's more
Hey,
water.
that's more than for three. Excited. They're so excited bringing the water. I know what you're gonna do.
What?
You're gonna choose the toys that you're gonna bring. This is Maya's first outing. Unang gala niya. Hindi ako nakapagplano. We don't have swimsuit for her. We don't have like swim diaper. But, sabi ko nga, ito na lang yung magiging swimsuit niya. Maliit to. Lumang swimsuit ni Andrew. So, kasya naman sa kanya. Okay na. Isaglit lang naman din kasi ganyan ako eh. Medyo kuripon. And, swim diaper. Meron swim diaper na medyo malaki din. But, it will work. Hihilahin ko lang, hihigpitan ko lang. Okay na yan.
Okay, you want to go to the beach? You say, yeah.
You wanna go to the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
can we
come
try
on.
this now?
A life jacket.
Yeah, it's a life jacket so you can swim without holding to daddy.
Look at that. It fits.
Mommy.
Huh?
Mommy. Mama goes.
Your
Here.
goggles.
Here,
You said gold.
Here.
Oh yeah, it fits! Next is Maya's
Yeah, we're gonna
clothes.
do this.
So pagkakasyahin ko yung lahat ng damit namin sa isang maleta lang.
It's like,
Kahit few days lang eh, kasi ang dami namin. So,
go where?
isang bit-bit lang din. Kahit sabihin mo, OA yung nakamaleta, ang lapit lang naman ang pupuntahan. Kasi, para mas konti yung bibit-bitin naming bag, dahil nga may mga kasama kaming bata. Sabi ko kay Andrew, kuha kayo ng shovel, dadalhin natin bukas. Ayun, nagtatakbo na, sobrang excited na niya. Baka hindi na makatulog.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Oh my God, now I'm worried. He might start saying, let's go now. We wanna go now. I'm too excited.
I found it.
You found it?
Yeah.
Wow! Okay.
What are you doing?
Nagnanap pa din si Maya, kaya nakakapagpak ako. Pero malamang gising na yun. Kaligalig ng mga, ng mga ito eh. O diba, ang saya-saya ako. Sobrang productive ko today. Ang dami kong nagawa. As in, ang dami ko na picture ng mga damit sa taas. Siguro mga almost 30. 30 yung goal ko eh. Pero hindi ako umabot. Pero okay lang. Kasi nga, ang dami kong nagawa. Compare sa regular day, talagang motivated. Sinisipag eh, no, kapag gagala. Malakas makamotivate yung gala kasi gastos. So, kailangan mo magtrabaho para matakpan yung gagastosin nyo. Ganyan. Gastos plus time. Kasi alam ko na 3 araw ako hindi makakapag-work. So, mag-work ako ng bongga. And na-achieve ko naman yan today.
Oh no, Mommy, we can't forget sunscreen.
I already have sunscreen. Oh, Andrew! Andrew, no! Ang dami mo. Dali daw namin. Ito yung mga pinagdadadala ni Andrew. Ito pa. He wants to bring this. Why this?
Don't forget the sunscreen.
Don't forget the sunscreen.
Hey, hey, don't forget the apple.
Don't forget the apple.
Don't forget the shovels.
Don't forget the
Shovel.
shovel. I don't forget the shovel.
Don't forget the shirt. Mommy.
I don't forget the
Mommy,
shirt.
Here.
You want me to bring this? That
Don't forget the sunscreen.
Don't forget the
For
sunscreen.
you, Mommy. For you. Don't forget that. Don't forget the shovels.
I don't forget the shovels.
Don't forget the paint.
Don't forget to play.
Don't forget the shirt. I mean, and the giant shirt.
I don't forget the Andrew giant shirt. Keep singing.
Don't forget giant Andrew.
I don't forget the giant Andrew.
Do
Don't forget the camera.
Don't forget towels.
I don't forget the towels.
Towels.
What?
Don't forget the towel.
I don't forget the towel.
Don't forget the pika pika.
I don't forget the pika pika.